Okay, good day, traders. Welcome to the market review call, right? With MarketWise Traders here. So here I review the top two pairs that were voted for on the website, on MarketWise Traders website. So you can just come here to marketwisetraders.com, right? You go to marketwisetraders.com, you click market review poll, right? And then you just cast your vote each week. You're only allowed to vote for two pairs once a week. So you cast your vote for any of the two pairs listed down here. You can change your vote each week. Okay. So I'll then come and check, and before the week trading starts on Monday, I will review the top two pairs and drop the video. So let's see which two pairs I'm going to review today. Let me just refresh this. Okay. Let's have a look. AU has got 6%. What else do we have? EJ 6%. 6%, but it's got fewer votes. It's got 6 votes. EU 6%, but more votes. GU 8%. UC 7%. Right, let's just see that. Bitcoin 5%. So it looks like it is these two, GU and UC. Okay, so let's have a look at that. Let's go and have a look at those two pairs. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to have a look at GU and UC. So let's just see, do I have a pound dollar here? Yes, I do. H1 time frame. Okay, so let's just see if we can first of all see the cycle. All right, I can already see. If you have been following me for a bit, you'll know that that's how we count our levels here. So let's just have a look at this. I want to see this ADR move, because this I see is a peak formation low that happened around the 9th of April. This looks like a full cycle. Yeah, definitely 332. I can see one push up. Right, let's just mark this. Okay. This is a peak formation low here, everybody. Okay. I see one push up here. This is sort of a second push. This move was quite a big move, sort of an extended peak, but this up here is a peak formation high, right? This funny looking M has peak formation high, so we're going to take it from there. Let's take counting from there and see where we are, so we can see what to expect this coming week. Okay, right, so I'll just drag this line to mark this peak formation high here. Let's just go across. Okay, already you can see this is level 2 down. It's pretty clear, pretty so clear. You can see this is one drop right there. This one level down. You can see this is the second drop. This is the second level down. So because we have this 800 EMEA here, this thing could buy for a bit, but according to Market Maker, we'll be looking Monday, Tuesday, we're looking for one last drop, and then we can buy this thing. Okay, so look for one last drop beginning of the week. I don't normally like to take trades on a Monday, but if it appears, you can take it. And I would be saying initially bearish, then you can be bullish. Bearish for one last move down. Where can we expect? Even here, we could get a type, with the Asian box, we could get a type 2 where it maintains the Asian high. So whatever happens in Asia, you find they might not break the Asian high. So just look for it around anyway 139.00, 139.00, maybe as far as up to 139.10. 139.00, take it for, I would say you could get 100 pips out of this, but it depends on whatever your entry point is, your risk to reward. But look for a sell anywhere there, 139.00. Okay, that's what I'm seeing on GU. Initially sell, then you can continue to take it long. To your advantage, like I always say, just have a look at other dollar pairs and other pound pairs just to give you the added confidence. But I'm looking and I'm seeing an initial sell. Okay, let's have a look at CAD. This thing has been in a range for a bit, but bearish. So let's just see what I can see here. Okay, CAD pairs, I saw this happen on most CAD pairs this past week. There was a massive drop. There was CAD news, but besides that, there was a blocker there. I remember seeing an order block. I remember seeing an order block which had been formed. That is ICT I'm speaking of. So you can see UC has been bearish. If we zoom, as I've zoomed out, this is still H1 on the longer time frame. Let's just see if we can just scroll back further. What we can see here. All right, this was definitely a low. Let me just see the pips that it moved. Our ADR by 3 years 259. So I'm counting from somewhere here. Okay, that looks like a cycle that was complete. Okay, so this was a peak formation high. Sorry, let me just move this marker along now. Just move this line. Okay, so this was on the H1 cycle, this was a peak formation high over here. Okay, let's just see what happened after there. I can see one drop, second drop. It came back up to the peak, one drop, second drop, and it's still there at the second drop. As you can see what I was saying there, on H4 is an order block. So this whole move, look at that pin, this one candle, that pin, that 52 pip candle, I was just taking some orders there. It's a stop hunt. But basically you can see here the movement. Let me just count how many pips we are off of this peak formation high currently. We're looking at 170. So we're looking at one more drop as well for dollar CAD. Just look at that lovely movement that I was just telling you about on the order block. Look at that. That's 1 hour candle. So when you got the market maker cycle knowledge, you have that advantage that even if news drops, you know more or less likely which direction that it will move. Look at that one candle, 150 pips. That's why it's always important to trade with stops and know that they can still be jumps in the market. Forex, it's less likely to have jumps, but they do occur and they can just jump your stop. But always make sure that you have a stop loss in place. So what am I saying on CAD? On CAD, I'm still expecting one more push down and then I can be bullish. So exactly like, not exactly in terms of the cycle, but exactly what I'm expecting on pound, I'm expecting on CAD. I'm expecting maybe at yesterday's high, New York session, I'll take this one last drop, then I can be bullish on dollar CAD. Once the pattern presents, I'll take it. So I can say US dollar CAD, anywhere around what was Monday's high, you can be looking for a sell anyway around 125.30 and 125.50. If price gets there, take it for a sell. I recommend a stop loss of no greater than 40 pips, okay, on all pairs, including the spread. That is on these two pairs I've just analyzed. Okay, pound, you might have to have a bit of a bigger stop, but I think 40 pips from your entry point, it should keep you safe. Because beyond that, the trade is gone for you. That's what I'll say. So anyway, guys, happy trading. Just follow on YouTube, Instagram, wherever. Just follow all the platforms. The links are in the description below. And I will be dropping more like free content, especially on how to trade like a professional trader. I've started that series. I think I've done 3 videos. I'm continuing there. Because trading is not just about a strategy, but having the mentality, psychology, which you need to develop over time. It doesn't just come automatically. So you can have the skill, the strategy, but you need to know how to apply it. It's more about you than it is about the market. Okay, so happy trading, guys. I hope this video has helped you, and may the markets be with you.